Hi, friends! Look at this massive clock behind us.
Wow! Today we are learning how to tell time like real explorers.
See that short, thick hand moving slowly? That's the hour hand. It's the short boss. Whichever number it points to tells us the hour. And look at the tall, speedy one. That's the minute hand. It moves faster. It counts all the minutes passing by. When the long minute hand points straight up at 12, it says easy peasy. Short hand at 3, long hand at 12, it's 3 o'clock. Short hand first, long hand next. You pass the telling time test. Let's practice with our daily routine. Wake up, explorers. The short hand is at 7. The long hand is at 12. Time for a delicious breakfast. Look, the short hand jumped to 8. The long hand is still up at 12. 8 o'clock. Grab your backpacks, it's time for school. Short hand is at 1, long hand is at 12. 1 o'clock. Let's eat some yummy sandwiches. Short hand points to 4. Long hand points up to 12. 4 o'clock. Time to play outside at the playground. Yay! Short hand at 9, long hand at 12. 9 o'clock. Time to get cozy and read a bedtime story. Game time! Let's see if you can track the hands as fast as me. The magic clock is spinning! Get ready, explorers! Spin again! Short hand at 6, long hand straight up at 12. Point to the short hour hand. That's right, it's 6 o'clock. Freeze! Short hand is at 10, long hand is at 12. What time is it? Say it out loud. 10 o'clock. Great job! Wow, you are a time-telling expert. Nod your head if you can track the hands all by yourself now. Super! Keep practicing every day by looking at the clocks in your house. See you next time for another big adventure on Kidco2. Bye-bye!